Hi everyone, it's Rochelle, and I have something I want to talk to you about today that is to do with science. Are you ready to be scientists? Okay, I have something here that is small, but it will grow. What do you think it is? It's not a baby. So I'm going to sing a little song for you to give you a hint. And we'll see if you can figure out what it is, okay? Are you ready? So I'm gonna look over here so I know the words to my song. It goes like this. Rock-a-bye seed so deep in the ground. When the rain falls, the roots will dig down. When the sun shines, stems grow right up. And out come the leaves into the light. What do you think it is? It's not a baby. It's I'm gonna unwrap it. A tiny, tiny seed. And guess what? This seed might grow someday. What do you think it's gonna grow into? What do seeds grow into? A plant. Some seeds grow into plants. That's your first science word, plants. Okay, so I'm going to show you my seed and tell you that I'm going to read a book about gardens. But first, I want to show you my drawing over here. So do you see this seed? Do you see that white part around it? This seed is wearing a coat. Just like you guys might wear coats, this seed has a coat. So when you plant it in the ground, it starts to get all cozy and warm, and it might get some sun and some water, and then it starts to grow. The word is germinate. Can you say that? I'm going to clap it. Germinate. That is a big science word. And so when a seed germinates, first the roots start to grow, and then it grows a stem, and then pretty soon the leaves grow, just like in the song. Do you remember the song, Rock-a-bye Seed? Just like in the song, that's what happens when a seed germinates. Okay, are you ready to read the book? Okay, here it is. I'll get nice and close so you can see. This book is called A Garden for Iggy. Who do you think Iggy is? Do you think it's this lizard? You might be right. A Garden for Iggy. Pia was so excited. She rushed home to find her little brother, Jose. Guess what I saw today when I got off the bus? A giant lizard. The bus driver said it was an iguana. I'm going to name him Iggy. It was the lizard. Just like your nickname is Pepe. Tomorrow, I'm going to ask the bus driver to tell me more about iguanas, said Pia. Today was the day. Pepe was going with Pia to look for Izzy the iguana. Pepe looked out the window as he waited for Pia to come home from school. Tick-tock, tick-tock, slowly sounded the clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. He is waiting so patiently. Bravo! She was finally home. Hola, Pia, let's go. I'm ready to look for Iggy. We need to bring him something to eat. What do you think iguanas eat? Asked Pepe. What do you think? Do you think they eat insects? How about grass? Maybe. How about pizza? Do you think a lizard would like to eat some pizza? Maybe. I'm not sure. The bus driver told me iguanas like to eat plants and fruits and vegetables. Let's pick some leaves and a mango from our mango tree, said Pia. Pia and Pepe walked until they came to the bush with the pink flowers, where Pia saw Iggy yesterday. At first, they couldn't see him. Can you see him? But then they saw something moving in the bushes nearby. Look, there he is, said Pepe, when he saw the iguana for the first time. Can you see Iggy? He's there. He's camouflaged inside of that bush. Iggy was green all over with a row of pointy spikes from his head to his back. His tail was long. He's kind of scary looking, Pepe shouted. We brought leaves and mango from our garden for you, Pepe told Iggy. We'll see if there's anything else in our garden that you might like, added Pia. I wonder what else Iggy might like from a garden. Back at home, Pia and Pepe looked at their garden. It was filled with plants and trees with many different flowers. All the colors of the rainbow were in the garden: yellow, pink, purple, and many shades of green. But there were no vegetables. Remember, Iggy the iguana likes vegetables too. The bus driver told me that iguanas love lima bean sprouts. Guess what? That's what this is. Our tiny little white seed is a lima bean. Let's plant some lima bean sprouts in our garden for Iggy, said Pia. The next day was bright and sunny, a perfect day for planting. Pia, what do we do first? If you were going to plant a seed, what would you need to do first? This picture's giving you a clue. You might need to dig a hole. Got it. First, we dig holes in the dirt for the lima bean seeds, Pia replied. Dig, diggity, dig. This is fun, Pepe giggled. Next, we put the seeds into the hole and cover them with dirt. Pat, pat, pat. Almost done. Is this all we need, said Pepe. Is that all that seeds need? See, all we need are seeds, dirt, water, and lots of sunlight, Pia answered. I brought a watering can. We can take turns sprinkling the new seeds with water. And a few days later, tiny green sprouts appeared. Wow, shouted Pepe. Let's take some to Iggy right now. Wait until he tastes these fresh new sprouts, said Pia, as they went off to look for Iggy. The end. So I'm going to show you a little picture. So remember, this seed is wearing a coat. And when you put it in the dirt and give it some water and sunlight, what happens? Do you remember that science word? Germinate. So I'm going to show you a picture of what it looks like when it germinates. And what you can do, these are actually from the grocery store. You might even have some in your cupboard. These are dried lima beans. You could put it in some water and see what happens. So here it is. Here's some roots and the stem. And here's some leaves that are coming out. And this little white part is its coat, its seed coat. Okay, you guys have learned so much about plants. Do you know what it's called when a scientist studies plants? It's called botany. So now that you know that a seed germinates and you know all the parts of roots, stem, and leaves, you are a botanist. Thumbs up. Thanks so much for listening to my story today. I'll see you soon.